Looks like Amy has found a box of toys. Let's read, what's in the box? The special word in this story is the word, in. Repeat after me. Na. In. Say it. Read with me. The car is, in, the box. The car is in the box. The bear is, in, the box. The bear is in the box. The bus is, in, the box. The bus is in the box. The doll is not in the box. The doll is not in the box. Do you see the doll? Do you see the doll? I see the doll. I see the doll. The doll is in the box too. The doll is in the box too. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet, look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the word in green, in. Read, what does this page say? It says the car is, in, the box. Read this, what does it say? It says the bear is in the box. Read, what has happened on this page? It says, the doll is not in the box. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story, in. Let's play a game. I will show some words, and you have to find the word in. Like this. In. Find the word, in. In. One more time. Find in. In. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.